ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 361 इन भाष्य तेषामेव प्राजापत्यानाम् अन्नानाम् आदिभौतिको विस्तारो अभिधीयते। तेषामेव अन्नानाम् प्राजापत्यानाम् प्राजापत्यानाम् means that which belongs to prajapati, that which is prajapatehe karyam atha apatyam, but here it is not apatya sense, karya annanam आदिभौतिको विस्तार है. दिस इज आदिभौतिक विस्तार गिवन नाउ. मंत्र नंबर 4. त्रयो लोका एते एव वागेव अयम लोको मनो अंतरिक्ष लोकः प्राणो असौ लोकः. त्रयो लोका, these are the three worlds. एते एव, वाग is अयम लोकः, अयम means पृथ्वी लोक, मनः is अंतरिक्ष लोक, and प्राण is असौ means स्वर्ग लोक. प्राण is स्वर्ग. टीका. वागादीनाम् आध्यात्मिक विभूति प्रदर्शनानंतरम आदिभौतिक विभूति प्रदर्शनार्थम उत्तर ग्रंथम अवतारयति. वागादि, their आध्यात्मिक विभूति is given in the form of what is its swarupa, what is its karya, that we saw. Now, and that is within the individual, how the shabda, etc., manaha, how they function. Adi bhautik vibhuti is the locus, bhuhu bhuva swaha, which is here given as ihaloka, antariksha loka, swarga loka. उत्तरग्रंथम अवतारयति तेषामेव. तत्र इति उक्तम सामान्यम परामृशति. त्रयो लोका भूर्भुवस्व रीत्याख्या एते एव वांग मनः प्राणाः. These three are वांग मनः प्राणाः. तत्र, that tatra means सामान्यम परामृशति. तत्र in general, in them, तत्र विशेषो वाग एव अयम. So these three are भूर्भुवस्व, of which one is which one? जैसे वाग एव अयम लोको, मनो अंतरिक्ष लोकः, प्राणो असौ लोकः. वाग is अयम लोकः. So in upasana, even if not much similarity is there, you can do upasana, right? Means when it is said vak is ayam lokah, so now you will look for some sadrishyam for upasana. Even if it is not there, you can just do mana is antariksha loka. Or you can say here all shabdas are known through vak, so that is ayam lokah. Antariksha loka manah, and prana swargadi loka means part of Hiranyagarbha in that way, if you want to say. But you don't have to create that some similarity. Otherwise also, if Shruti has said it is this way, it is this way. Because it is going to say more of this. See, mantra 5, 6 and 7. त्रयो वेदा एत एव वाग् एव ऋग्वेदो मनो यजुर्वेदः प्राणः सामवेदः. The three Vedas, they are Vak, Manah, Prana. Eteva. What are they? Vak is Yajurveda. Sorry, Rigveda. Mano is Yajurveda. Prana is Samaveda. Devaha Pitaro Manushya Ete eva. Vag eva Devaha. Manah Pitaraha. Prano Manushya. Deva Pitara Manushya, they are also Vang Mana Prana. Everything is Vang Mana Prana. Means you have to see everything as Vang Mana Prana. Therefore, because it is said everything is Annam. Earlier we saw in the second mantra, which is the Brahmana Bhag, right? There it was given everything is Annam. How everything is Annam? In this way, everything is Vang Mana Prana. Everything is Bhojyam also. That was explained. So Devatas are Vag. Mana is Pitra. Prana is Manushya. Now here you see, Devatas are in Swarga, they are Vag. Mana is Pitara in the middle, and Prana Manushyaha down here on Prithvi Loka. So there is no sadrishya needed. And then next is Pita Mata Praja Ete Eva. Mana Eva Pita, Vang Mata, Prana Praja. Mana is Pita, Vag is Mata, Prana is Praja. So they are to be thought in this way. टीका त्रिलोकी वाक्यवद उत्तरम वाक्यम विज्ञातादि वाक्यात् प्राक्तनम नेतव्यम इत्याह. त्रिलोकी वाक्यवद. त्रिलोकी वाक्य इज विच वन? हाँ, मंत्र नंबर 4. त्रिलोकी. त्रिलोकी, व्हाट इज द समास? What is the name of the samasa? Not vigrah. Dvigu. Sankhya purvo dvigu. Triloki vakyavad uttaram vakyam. The later sentence is Vijñātādi vakyat praktanam. Triloki vakyavad uttaram. Vijñātādi vakyat praktanam means before the Vijñātādi vakya. Vijñātādi vakya is going to be 8th, 9th, 10th mantra. So before 8th mantra and after 4th mantra are 5, 6, 7. That is the tika. Triloki vakyavad uttaram vakyam. Vijñātādi vakyat praktanam netavyam. Netavyam should be understood. सरल in भाष्य. तथा त्रयो वेदा इत्यादीनि वाक्यानि ऋज्वर्थानि. ऋज्वर्थानि, how will you do samasa vigraha? What is the anya pada? Vakyani. Rijvarthani vakyani. How will you do vigraha? Ruju artho yesham vakyanam te vakyaha rujvarthaha tani vakyani rijvarthani. Those whose meaning is ruju. Ruju means saral, simple. In Vedas, when such things are given, like when we recite or study Purusha Suktam also, that this is all Virat. Like here what is being said is this only. This is all Prajapati's Karyam. Vang Mana Prana is all the worlds. Pita Mata, Manushyaha, Putraha. Praja means Putraha in that. All the Vedas, everything is Prajapati is Annam, Karyam. This Buddhi, how it will help me? It will help me in seeing oneness with Upasana. Eventually, it will lead me to Advaita Jnanam. If Bhed Buddhi is strong, Dvaita Buddhi is there, from suddenly complete Dvaitam to Advaitam, I cannot go. So I need a gradual process. So Upasana is for that. And Upasana, that too, not Ekarupa Ishvara Upasana. Ekarupa Ishvara Upasana is only for cultivating Shraddha, Bhakti. Ekarupa Ishvara Upasana is not to remove Bheda Buddhi or Raga Dvesha. Raga Dvesha will go when you have enough Shraddha and Bhakti in that Ekarupa Ishvara. That Ekarupa Ishvara will give you bodha in Bhagavad Gita, in Uddhav Gita, somewhere in Bhagavatam. Then that Ishvara says, do this, then I will do it. And that Ishvara says, you see me in everyone. Then I will have Abheda Buddhi. If that Ekarupa Ishvara Upasana has not created Shraddha Bhakti, then that Ishvara Vakya is not going to be Mahatvapurna for me. So I will take that also as some sentence is there. So this is the gradual process. That I have so much Dvaitam, I start with some Shraddha Bhakti, then that Ishvara's Vakya is Pramanam. Then that Ishvara says, now you see me in all. This whole world is my Vishwarupa. So then I have to see that. In this way, I will work on my Ragadvesha. In this way, I will eliminate my Bheda Buddhi. When that happens, then I am ready for Advaita Jnana. So all this is a process. It is said so many times in so many different ways, because without that, we will not reach, even though Tattvamasi is said so easily, it doesn't become our Jnana. Further, Tika, विज्ञातादि वाक्यम आदाय तद्गतम विशेषम दर्शयति. विज्ञातादि वाक्यम is next mantra. Vakyam adaya, having taken that vakya, daya is daye, dane, dhatu. And then adaya is having done grahanam, taking. Tadgatam vishesham darshayati. Then what is the vishesha in that? That is shown. Vijñatam. Let us see the mantra. Vijñatam vijignasyam. Vijignasyam avijñatam et eva yatkincha vijñatam vachastadrupam. Vaghi vijñata vagenam tadbhutva avati. Vijñatam vijignasyam avijñatam eteva. Now these three things are, everything in the world is either vijñatam, known, or vijignasyam, you have desire to know, or avijñatam. Actually, in two also you can classify vijñatam and avijñatam, but here we have three. Vang, mana, prana. So he is using in the form of three. Vishesha Samanya. Avisheshana avijñata. You can make. It is like when you have some food and you have three people, then you have to make it into three parts. If there are two people, you make it into two parts, like that. Vijñatam, vijignasam, avijñatam. Ete eva. Ete, vangmana, prana. They only are all these. Yatkincha, now so in 8th mantra, vijñatam. In 9th mantra, vijignasam. And 10th mantra, avijñatam. In this way, he means in the Shruti divides. Yatkincha vijñatam vachaha tadrupam. Whatever is vijñatam is vachaha. Vijignasyam, there will be manaha. and avijnatam prana. In this way, you should see. This is how we have to look at it. It will become our upasana. So, see in the mantra, yat kincha vijnatam vachah sadrupam. Vag hi vijnata. Vag alone is vijnata. Vag enam tad bhutva avati. And vag tad bhutva means when it becomes known, then that vijnata vag will tad bhutva, vag bhutva, vijnata vag bhutva, avati, rakshati. That vag will protect. Vijigupsati. Not Vijigupsati. Rakshati only. Okay. Palayati. Gupu rakshane dhatu is there. Gupu rakshane dhatu, if you use, then the kriya pada will be gopyati. Avati, palayati, gopyati. In this way it will come. See the bhashya. Vijnatam, vijignasyam, avijnatam, eta eva. After eva, purna viram you can put. Tatra vishesho yat kincha vijnatam vispashtam jnatam vachastadrupam. Whatever is vijnatam means vispashtam jnatam vachah rupam tat. Tad vachah rupam. That is the form of vag only. टीका विज्ञातम सर्वं वाचो रूपम इति प्रतिज्ञातो अर्थो सप्तम्यर्थः. तत्र is given that tatra is in this विज्ञातम सर्वं वाचो रूपम. This pratignyata artha is saptamyartha. Next tatra, not first tatra, second tatra. Tatra swayam eva hetumaha. That tatra is talking about this. What is the hetu? Vag hi vijnata prakashatmakatvat. Vag is the knower. Why? Because it is of the prakasha swarupa, prakashatmakatvat. Katham avijnata bhavet. Tika. प्रकाशकत्वे अपि कथम वाचो विज्ञातत्वम् इति आशंक्या. प्रकाशकत्वे अपि कथम वाचो विज्ञातत्वम्. हाउ वाच इज विज्ञाता. वाचः विज्ञातत्वम् षष्ठी. कथम अविज्ञाता भवेत् यानी या अन्यानपि विज्ञापयति. हाँ, या कथम अविज्ञाता भवेत् या अन्यानपि विज्ञापयति. या वाक् कथम अविज्ञाता भवेत्. How that vak will not be known if it reveals everything else. Vijnapayati. In Vijnapayati, Pakara, what is the sutra? Online. Arti, Hri, Vli, Ri, Knui, Mai, Yatam, Pugno. Arti, Hri, Vli, Ri, Knui, Kshmai, Yatam. Pugno. Pakara is there because Gnya Dhatu is Akaranta Dhatu. वाचा वै सम्राट बंधु प्रज्ञायत इति ही वक्ष्यति. In this Upanishad, later it will be said, हे सम्राट, वाचा makes the bandhava known. Prajnayate means vacha makes it known. Iti hi vakshyati. 412. Samrat means Janaka. Tika. Samrat is referring to Janaka. Yajnavalkya is telling Samrat. Right? Who is Samrat? Which Samrat? Janaka. नहीं 412 दिया है ना, चतुर्थ अध्याय तो जनक महाराज का है. 4th chapter is जनक महाराज. मीन्स जनक याज्ञवल्क्य संवाद. इति वक्ष्यति. टीका. प्रकाशात्मकत्वम एव कुतो वाचः सिद्धम इति आशंक्याः. वाचः प्रकाशात्मकत्वम एव कुतः सिद्धम. सो इट से वाचा वै सम्राट बंधुः प्रज्ञायते. वाग विशेषविदः idam phalam. Now the one who knows this vag vishesha, what is the phalam of that person? Idam phalam uchyate. Vageva enam yathokta vag vibhuti vidam tad vignatam bhutva avati palayati. विज्ञात रूपेण एव अस्य अन्नम भोज्यताम प्रतिपद्यत इत्यर्थः. वाग विशेष विदः, the one who is the knower of vag in this way, vishesha rupena. Vishesha rupa means that it is vignatam, and earlier we saw it is bhu, loka, mata, ityadi ityadi. विज्ञात वाग विदः इदम फलम उच्यते. वाग एव एनम तद विज्ञातम भूत्वा अवति. वाग will protect this person. How? तद विज्ञातम भूत्वा. वाग एव एनम, एनम पुरुषम. So who is this purusha? Vag vishesha vidaha. Upasaka. The one who is the knower of vag in this vishesha way. Means this upasaka. Enam purusham avati. How? Tad vijnatam bhutva. So yathokta vag vibhuti vidam tad vijnatam bhutva. It becomes that vijnata vastu avati palayati. How? विज्ञात रूपेण एव अस्य अन्नम भोज्यताम प्रतिपद्यते. विज्ञात रूपेण एव अस्य अन्नम, अस्य पुरुषस्य अन्नम भोज्यताम, it will become भोज्य वस्तु. Means it will become available for this person. In Hindi it is given विज्ञात रूप से ही इसके लिए वाणी रूपी अन्न भोज्यता को प्राप्त करता है, यह तात्पर्य है. विज्ञात रूप से ही इसके लिए, उपासक के लिए, फॉर द उपासक, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ समथिंग विच इज विज्ञातम, नोन. विज्ञात रूपेण उपासकाय वाणी रूपी अन्न, वाक अन्नम, मेक्स दी भोज्यता, भोज्यता को प्राप्त करता है. मतलब that anna, vani rupi anya becomes bhojya for him. And what is that vani? Vijnata vastu. Third number tippani. पदार्थमुक्त्वा वाक्यार्थमः विज्ञात विज्ञात रूपा या वाचो विभूतिविदं नरं वाग्देवता तद्रूपेण स्थित्वा वाग्देवता विज्ञात रूपेण स्थित्वा भोगैः भोगैः अवति इति भोगद्वारेण it will protect mean it will give bhoga which is in the form of vijnata. It is not very spashta what is the phalam. Let us see further in another vikalpa if it becomes clear. टीका वाग विशेष stad vibhuti. Vag vishesha is the vibhuti. So the one who knows is vag vibhuti with next mantra. Yad kincha vijignyasyam manasastadrupam mano hi vijignyasyam mana enam tadbhutva avati. Yad kincha vijignyasyam, whatever is to be known, whatever for which you have desire to know, vijignyasyam. Manasastadrupam, that is the rupa of manaha. Mano hi vijignyasyam. Mana is vijignyasyam. Vijignyasyam. Manaha enam tad bhutva. Vijignyasyam bhutva avati. Mind will protect. Tika. भाष्य तथा यत्किंच विजिज्ञास्यम विस्पष्टम ज्ञातुम इष्टम विजिज्ञास्यम तत्सर्वम मनसो रूपम. Whatever is desired to be known in a clear way, vispashtam vijnatam, all of that is manaso rupam. He mano hi yasmat sandihiyamana akaratvad vijignyasyam. Manaha hi yasmat sandihiyamana akaratvad. It has sandihiyamana akara vijignyasyam. पूर्ववन मनो विभूति विदः फलम मनः एनम तद विजिज्ञास्यम. मनो विभूति विदः फलम मनः एनम तद विजिज्ञास्यम भूत्वा अवति विजिज्ञास्य स्वरूपेण एव अन्नत्वम आपद्यते. मनो विभूति विदः, the one who knows the vibhuti of manah, he will be called mano vibhuti vidah. Manasah या विभूति ही मनसः विभूति ही मनो विभूति ही तम वेत्तीति मनो विभूतिवित् तस्य मनो विभूतिविदः फलम मनः एनम तद विजिज्ञास्यम भूत्वा. माइंड विल बिकम दैट विजिज्ञास्य वस्तु विजिज्ञास्यम भूत्वा अवति. विजिज्ञास्य स्वरूपेण एव अन्नत्वम आपद्यते. दैट विजिज्ञास्य वस्तु will become bhojya for this person, upasaka. Tika. Sandihyamana akaratvat sankalpa vikalpatmakatvat iti avat. Manaha, why manah is given vijignasya vastu? Because there is sandeha, there is sankalpa vikalpa, is it this or that? Now I want to know. So sandihyamana akaratvat sankalpa vikalpatmakatvat iti avat. Tasmat. सर्वं विजिज्ञास्यम मनोरूपम इति संबंधः. सर्वं विजिज्ञास्यम मनोरूपम. पूर्ववत् वाक् विभूति विदः यथा फलम उक्तम तद्वद इति यावत्. Purvavan is given in Bhashya. Purvavat means like before. Like before means the 8th mantra as Vak. So Purvavat Vak Vibhuti Vidaha Yatha Phalam Uktam. Tadvad Mano Vibhuti Vidaha Phalam Idam. This is the Phalam for Mano Vibhuti Vidaha. 10th मंत्र, यत्किंच अविज्ञातं प्राणस्य तद्रूपम प्राणो ह्यविज्ञातः प्राण एनं तद्भूत्वा अवति। यत्किंच अविज्ञातं, whatever is अविज्ञातम, unknown, प्राणस्य तद्रूपम, all of that is प्राणस्य रूपम, it is the रूप of प्राण। प्राणो ही अविज्ञातः, प्राण is अविज्ञातः, प्राणः एनं तद्भूत्वा, तद्भूत्वा means अविज्ञातो भूत्वा एनम अवति, प्राण will protect। Protect only upasakas. You see how there is raga dvesha in this vang mana prana. Only those who sing your glory, do stuti, you protect them. So this is Bhagavan has said in Gita, etc., that I will protect only those people who will do upasana. You say others also I protect, but they will not know, and therefore they will not get the phalam. Their buddhi will be, see, phalam is what? Shraddha. When I do something and I see the phalam, then I will have Shraddha. If I don't do something, I still get the phalam, I will not connect it that it is coming from my upasya. So then I will not have Shraddha. So I will think on my strength I got, or some by chance I got, my prarabdha is very good. Something I will say. I will never say Bhagavan is helping me. Bhagavan is giving me vairagya. That I will not think. And I will do other things. Prana enam tadbhutva avati. टीका, अनिरुक्त श्रुतेर अविज्ञात रूपो यस्मात् प्राणस तस्माद अविज्ञातम सर्वम प्राणस्य रूपम इति योजना। अनिरुक्त श्रुते है मीन्स पंचमी, अनिरुक्त श्रुतित्वात्। छांदोग्य अनिरुक्त श्रुति इज गिवन इन 5th। अनिरुक्त 8 नंबर, अनिरुक्तः अव्यक्तः, छांदोग्य 1:13:3। दिस इज द अनिरुक्त श्रुति। So what is avyakta? Avignata rupo yasmat pranas tasmat avignatam sarvam pranasya rupa. So this prana upasana is talked about in Chandogya in the beginning, and there how prana is Jeshtha, Sreshtha, Vasishtha, Avyakta, all these are guna. Then tad guna vishishta prana upasana should be done. अविज्ञात रूपो यस्मात् प्राण तस्मात् अविज्ञातम सर्वम प्राणस्य रूपम इति योजना। विज्ञातादि रूपातिरेकेण लोक वेदादि अभावात्, विज्ञातादि रूपत्व अभिधानेन एव वागादीनां लोकाद्यात्मत्वे सिद्धे किमर्थं त्रयो लोका इत्यादि वाक्यम इत्याशंक्य तथैव ध्यानार्थम इत्याह। It is for dhyana. It is for upasana. What is the question? Vijñātādi rūpāti rekena loka vedādi abhāvat. Loka veda, earlier you said veda, loka, veda, then pita, mata, and manush, deva, pitara, manushya, all of them. So Purvapakshi is like somebody like Adyatana Purusha, modern person. He says everything can be put into Vijnata, Vijignasya and Avignata. Then why you classified earlier as Loka, then Veda, then Deva Manushya Pitara, then Manushya, Mata Pita, Putra, everything. Just classify in this way only. Or those other mantras were not required. Because Loka Vedadi, Vijnatadi, Rupa Atirekana, Abhavat. There is not, everything will still fall under these three only. So Vijnatadi Rupatva Abhidhanena eva. In this way only you could have just defined them. Vijnatadi Rupatva Abhidhanena eva Vagadinam Lokadhyatmatve Siddhe. Lokadhyatmatva Siddhi will happen this way only. Kimartham Trayolokaha, why you had to say Trayoloka, all these things for Vang, Mana, Prana, Iti Ashanka, you have to do Upasana in this way. भाष्य तथा यत्किंच अविज्ञातम विज्ञानागोचरम न च संदिह्यमानम प्राणस्य तद्रूपम प्राणो ही अविज्ञातो अविज्ञात रूपो ही यस्मात् प्राणो अनिरुक्त श्रुते है. So this avignata rupo hi yasmat prano, that probably is the Chandogya portion 113.3. That is why it is called Anirukta Shruti. Bhashyakar will bring some connection from somewhere. Why Shruti is using avignata vastu as prana. Yatkincha avignatam means vijnana agocharam. What is not known means, I think what they mean is what will not be known. Because avyakta is given there. Vijnana agocharam. Nacha sandihyamanam, about which there is no doubt also. Nacha sandihyamanam pranasya tadrupam. प्राणो ही अविज्ञात अविज्ञात रूपो ही अस्मात् प्राणो अनिरुक्त श्रुते. प्राण इज ऑफ अविज्ञात रूप. विज्ञात विजिज्ञास्य अविज्ञात भेदेन वांग मन प्राण विभागे स्थिते त्रयो लोका इत्यादयो वाचनिका एव. विज्ञात विजिज्ञास्य एंड अविज्ञात भेदेन, ऑल दीज आर सेड नाउ. वांग मन प्राण विभागे स्थिते. अर्लियर त्रयो लोका इत्यादयः, दोस मंत्रस दे आर वाचनिका. मीन्स सी टिप्पणी नंबर 3. चत्वारः पर्यायाः वाचनिकाः. दे आर ओनली पर्याय मीन्स दे आर द पर्याय वाचनिकाः. भूराद्यात्मना वागादेव ध्येया इति नियमार्थ. मीन्स यू हैव टू डू उपासना. In this way I have to do dhyanam. Vachanikaha means paryayaha, I think. So paryayaha is vyakhyanam. Vachanikaha is vyakheya. First vyakhyanam is given, then vyakheya is given. Normally it is other way. In Tippani, Chatvarah paryayaha vachanikaha in this way it is given. सर्वत्र टीका भूरादिषु एकैकत्र विज्ञातादि त्रय दृष्टेर वागादेश व्यवस्थितत्वात्. इन भू भुव स्व एक्सेट्रा विज्ञातादि त्रय दृष्टे है एकत्र टुगेदर दिस दृष्टि विल बी देयर. वागादेश व्यवस्थितत्वात् कुतो विज्ञाता देव ऋगाद्यात्मकत्वं विज्ञाताद् एव ऋगाद्यात्मकत्वं नियन्तुं शक्यम्. विज्ञाताद् एव ऋगाद्यात्मकत्वं. from Vijnata Bhuhu, then Rig. In this way, division Vijnatadev Rigadhyatmakatvam Niyantum Kuto Shakyam, how it is possible? Iti Ashankya. We'll see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.